Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain strings in C. String is nothing but a word. In computer language, word is also called as a string, which is a collection of characters. String is a collection of characters. Strings are usually a one-dimensional array of a character which can terminated by the null character. Null is nothing but last element. It denotes the final character. Okay. Does a null terminate the string contains a character that compresses the string followed by the null. Here see char greeting equal to string will be terminated. String will be declared within a double quotes or single quotes. Then only it will be considered as a string. Here see the example hello. Hello has the string has a address of starts from 0 and it has at last it has the null character, and it has also the because null ASCII value of a null character is 0, each character occupies 1 byte. Okay, each character occupies 1 byte. When we accessing a string as an array, each letter can stored in continuous memory locations. Reason for having the null character is when you try to access the string in a computer have to know where the string is end. Show that only null character is denoted, that the string ending here, and that is the last character. We can also access the string by usual array notation. Until the null character, we can getting the output. Without null character, we cannot getting the output. Okay, until where we can denote the null character, here only we can get the output. String has a range of function which has the str of cpy is nothing but copying the string, and str of cat cat is nothing but concatenation. Concatenation is nothing but adding a string, concatenating the string 2 onto the end of the string 1, and we have the string len. String len is returning the length of the string 1, and we are also having the string compare, which compares the two strings. If return 0 if s1 and s2 are same, less than 0 if s1 less than s2, greater than 0 if s1 greater than s2, and we are also having the str of chr, return a pointer to the first occurrence of the character ch in the string s1, and we are also having this return a pointer to the first occurrence of a string s2 in a string 1. Here we have string char of str of array. Within an array you will declare a string within a double quotes Greek zeeks, which has the memory occupies. Okay, each character occupies 1 byte. It will occupies continuous memory location. Okay, string in an array of character. We can learn how to declare a string, how to work with a string in C programming, and how to use the predefined string handling function. We will see how to compare two strings, concatenate string, copy one string to another string, performing various string manipulation operation. We can perform a such operation using the predefined function of string.h header file. In order to use this header string function, we must include this string.h file in our C program. Null could automatically inserted at the end in this type of declaration. Okay, strings in C. I think it's not visible. Okay, leave it. Pointer address to string. String can also be initialized as a static character. When we initialize like this, no need to declare the array size. Null is not necessary because C has inserted it automatically. String element can be also accessed using the pointer. By using the pointer, we can also access the string element. And see string functions are string length, find out the length of the string, string LWR, convert a string to a lowercase, string UPTR is convert a string to a uppercase, string CAT, it appends means addition, one string at the end of the another, and string NCAT, it appends the first n character of a string at the end of the another, string compare, string copy, it is used for copying the string into another, and str of NCPY is copy the first character of the one string into another, and str of CMP is compare the first n element of the two strings. Likewise, we can, and the different thing is str of CPI, it compare these two strings without regard to the cache. Okay, and str of DUP, it's duplicating a string, use first duplicating a string, and string reverse we can also use, and string set we can also use. Pointer to a string, yes, pointer of str is a character pointer variable which is initialized by the string pointing to the string. Then string length is used for finding the length of the string. To do the iteration using loop, it done the print, then complete the character stored with the variable of str, star str. Here, char of str of pointer str of ptr is within a double quotes hello, which will occupies the continuous memory location 0 to 5. Last element is a null character, and it has a starting address of 5000 and 5001, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we can increment it by 1 because it is a character. Character has the 1 byte memory allocation. And the pointer variable of str of ptr, the value is which will point to the 5000. In the pointer, the 5000 is stored and the address of the pointer is 8000. Okay. String in C also terminated by null character. Then here some examples I will be declared. Then see this example, static char of star s, so as an ice green cone, please. Then within a main function, then str of char of pointer to a pointer of ptr s plus 3, s plus 2, s plus 1, s. Okay, first printer star of plus plus p is nothing but plus plus p. We can increment the pointer. Okay, increment the pointer. This time we can see the phasing with a gallery of stars. We could do well to make the help of figures in crossing them one by one. At the outset, s square bracket has been declared and initialized as an array of pointer. Similarly, saying yes give us a base address of this array 4006, as we can see. The first element I having the address of 4000, and second element green is having the address of 4001 because it is a character. Likewise, it will doing the increment and pointer operation and print the outputs.